Hello friends. Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India had issued a recruitment notice for the scientist C. Department of Biotechnology will be advertising this recruitment. The total number positions will be 5. For the UR means unreserved category will be 3 position. For the OBC there will be 2 positions. This is the advertisement in which they have invited applications for 5 posts and at the level of scientist C, and the candidates are required to apply through online mode, and that link will be available on the DBT website dbtindia.gov.in. And the special clause is for those who are working in the government, semi-government organization or public sector undertakings, autonomous organization. If they want to apply, they must upload NOC of their employer. The application received without the NOC of their employer shall be treated as invalid or ineligible. This is the special condition they have mentioned. The detailed advertisement of this recruitment for scientist C is yet to come. So in this video we are going to discuss about the scientist C recruitment of 2019 for the minimum eligibility in education qualification, age relaxation and pattern of examination. The eligibility conditions: nationality, that must be Indian, and the age limit was the 40 years, and there was a relaxation for the OBC 3 year and 5 years for the SC/ST candidates. And the minimum education qualification was the 2 essential or desirable. In essential, master degree of science in life science or bachelor of veterinary science or bachelor of medicine and bachelor of surgery or bachelor of engineering or bachelor of technology in the field of biotechnology from a recognized university. And in desirable, doctorate of philosophy in life science or MD or master of veterinary science or master of technology in the field of biotechnology from the recognized university, and experience of 5 years after acquiring essential qualification except for departmental candidate, means 5-year experience after acquiring essential qualification is required for the scientist C recruitment. There was one note regarding your degree. The candidate must hold a valid degree of any of universities incorporated by an act, and second is the candidate possessing professional or technical qualification which are recognized by the government as equivalent to professional or technical degree would also be eligible for admission to the examination. In plan of examination, the selection process for the scientist C in the Department of Biotechnology will be two-stage process consisting of written test and interview. The written test was consisted of two papers, paper first and paper second, and that paper, both paper was in bilingual in Hindi or English, and the paper first was of 100 question, maximum marks 200, and duration was 120 minutes, and 160 minutes was for blind candidates. And the paper first contains objective type multiple choice questions in the field of general knowledge, including current affairs, elementary maths up to class 10th, comprehension, reasoning, analytical ability, and general science. The paper second also was of 100 questions, maximum marks 200, duration was 120 minutes, and 160 minutes for blind candidates. And paper second was also objective type multiple choice question, and the paper consisted of three parts, namely part A life science, part B medical or veterinary science. Part C, engineering in the field of biotechnology. The candidates will be required to attempt only one part which must be relevant to their subject field. The question will be of graduate level of universities in India. After written examination, there was interview call on the basis of order of merit formed on the basis of total number of marks obtained in the written examination. Overall, there was grand total of maximum marks 500. That was the selection basis for the final merit. So overall, the scientist C requirement was consisted of written exam and interview. I hope this video will give you idea for your preparation for coming recruitment of the scientist C for the 5 positions. If you feel the content is helpful, like the content and subscribe the channel and join us for the more scientific information and the recruitment details. Thanks for watching.